In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create or join a custom match here in Fortnite. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to create a custom match, you are going to need your own Fortnite supporter creator code. But essentially, what you're going to want to do once you do have that supporter creator code is scroll down and you're going to see in this Discover tab an option for a custom key. Go ahead and select that and put in that creator key. For example, mine is BOZ Gaming. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do after doing that is just hit accept and then choose your game mode just like so. And then when you hit play, it's going to begin loading you in to a custom setting. Like it'll tell you how many players are in your queue just like so. I think I had a typo in my supporter creator code because it bugged out there for a second. Whenever you have as many people in your match though, you're just going to want to go ahead and hit play. Now, to join someone else's custom match, you're going to want to do the exact same thing. Make sure that you have the exact game mode that they have selected. And then go down again, select custom key and type in that exact same key that the host provides and then ready up and it's going to load you in and you'll be queued. Now, whenever the host does start the game, you'll join with them. If you follow these steps, you'll be good to go and you'll be in your custom match in no time. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.